Hi, I'm John. This is the TGH project team first week report. I attended the initial team meeting with Jeremy, our mentor from TGH. I also helped create the initial user story, brainstormed ideas on reading and analyzing the sample data he provided, and then I came up with 2 additional user stories as well.
Hello, my name is Eben. I'm part of the TGH group. This week I helped come up with 2 user statements, and then we had the meeting with our team lead. I was not able to attend it due to a class conflict, so I reviewed the meeting to stay up to date with what was discussed, and I was also looking into some sort of GUI to be able to display the information that we track, and I was just brainstorming some ideas to be able to how to categorize that data and what would be visually appealing to put it up.
Hey, so these past 2 weeks, I worked with a team to come up with a problem statement and came up with 3 user stories. I also attended the first meeting with Jeremy. He gave us the sample data, and we kind of thought about what we can do with the data, how can we, about more technical stuff when we talked about it, and then lastly, nothing, that's it.
Hi, I'm Chijioke from the TGH group. Just a quick overview of what we've done for the past 2 weeks. We had the meeting with Jeremy. I wasn't able to attend too because I had a conflict in class, but I reviewed the video and stayed up to date with everything we talked about. I also came up with 2 user stories, and I helped brainstorm some ideas on how to read and analyze the sample data he provided.
So this weekend we plan on meeting and talking more about the technical aspects of the project. The initial brainstorm ideas we've come up with is basically creating a weighted graph of all the different rooms within the hospital, with the weight representing the distance between them. We need to somehow come up with calculating that distance and all that kind of stuff, and then we can use that graph to then analyze like the equipment, what's moving the most, how far it's moving, and then report back with that data.
So we're also going to talk about what programming language we wanted to use. We were talking about Python, but it's still up in the air. Also, from the data that Jeremy got us, he gave us sample data of the bladder scanner, and because the whole hospital is so big, we're probably going to start off with a small area, probably going to map out about 10 rooms or so, and then simulate if we go from what room to what is the optimal place to put the scanner in. We're also going to set up a weekly meeting with Jeremy, and then we're going to try to meet this weekend to work on all of this.